রিজু, হ্যাঁ বল বল।
এক মিনিট পরে শুরু করছি, ঠিক আছে? আর একটা
আমার লিখে রাখা আছে।
বেরা
হ্যাঁ বল।
বলছি দাঁড়া, একটু পুষ্পল আসুক তারপরে বলে দিই।
আমি ভাই পুষ্পলের সাথে কথা বলেছি, পুষ্পল বললো আসছে একটু পরে শুরু করতে। আমি শুরু করতে বলে দেবো যখন হবে।
ঠিক আছে
ঠিক আছে। আর কিছু একটা কাজ কর। হ্যালো,
বল বল।
তুই সবাইকে ক্যামেরাগুলো ধরে ধরে অন করতে বল, নাহলে আমি আবার এসে বলছি। ক্যামেরাগুলো অন করতে বল সবাইকে ধরে ধরে।
সবাইকে জাস্ট ক্যামেরাটা অন করতে, আর কিছু না। জাস্ট ক্যামেরা অন করুন।
একটু প্রত্যেক পার্টিসিপেন্ট একটু ক্যামেরাটা অন করে রাখুন।
আমি 1 মিনিট আছি। সবাই জাস্ট নিজে ক্যামেরাটা অন করে নে, আর কিছু মাইকটা অফ রেখো, ক্যামেরাটা অন করে।
I'm again requesting all the participants to turn on your camera, otherwise your participation will be cancelled. Those who have not turned on your camera, please turn in on right now. Ronak Mukherjee, Ritushri Ghosh, Pronoy Kumar, Rohan Prasad, Rohan Majumdar, Pritam Roy, Moinak Indranil, Rajdeep Dey, Oritra Banerjee. Then there is someone whose name is Gamers TV. Please turn on your camera and others also.
ক্যামেরা তো অন কিন্তু আছে।
ক্যামেরা অন আছে, এখানে শো করছে না।
হ্যাঁ আমার ক্যামেরা অন আছে।
আমি তো দেখতে পাচ্ছি আমার ক্যামেরা, আমারও ক্যামেরা অন আছে। ফ্রিডম রয় ক্যামেরা অন আছে। আচ্ছা, যাদের ক্যামেরা অন আছে একবার করে গ্রুপ মাইক অন করে ইয়েস বলে থেমে যেতে পারো।
Yes, on আছে। Yes, on আছে।
Yes,
on আছে। Yes.
Okay. রুশো
অন আছে। ওকে কি সবার দেখাচ্ছে?
আমার তো দেখতে পাচ্ছি সবাইকে।
না, সবার তো ক্যামেরা অন নেই ভাই।
এই তো প্রবলেম হচ্ছে, সব বোঝা যাচ্ছে। প্রবলেম হচ্ছে বলে এই মাত্র অন হলো। আচ্ছা তোমরা এক এক করে জিজ্ঞাসা করো।
ব্যাপারটা হচ্ছে তুই স্ক্রিন শেয়ার করছিস তো স্ক্রিন শেয়ারের সময় যে কথা বলবে শুধু তারটা দেখা যাবে, ঠিক আছে? তো ওটা ওরকম ভাবে ইয়ে করা যাবে না, মনিটর করতে পারবি না।
ওকে
ওকে
ওকে।
তার কতটা অনেস্টি দিয়ে হয় তোরা খেল।
আচ্ছা,
হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ ওয়েব
এখানে
রিজু একটু হোল্ড কর, আমি তো বলছি একটু হোল্ড কর, একটু হোল্ড কর। করে দে রিজু।
হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা। আজকে একটা ইনকুইজিটিভ এর এটার জন্য প্রথমে রুলস গুলো বলবো। টোটাল 15খানা কোয়েশ্চেন আসছে। সো লাইক I want everyone, each and every one of you, to bring a copy or write 15 numbers down, like 1 to 15. And after you've done it, mark question number 4, question number 8, question number 11, and question number 15 as star marks. So let me know if you have done those. And after
4, 15 and
4, 8, 11 and 15, you can just tune into the screen I'm sharing, and you can easily read the rules if you want to. Just tune into the screen I'm sharing. Okay, so these star marks question is like, if you attempt the star marks and if you answer it correctly, you get 15 points for it. That is, as you like if you are answering correctly to one question, you will get 10 points. So it's a +5. If it's a bonus for a star mark. But if you attempt a star mark question and if you get it wrong, you are going to get total. So if you attempt question number 4 and you answer it wrong, so you're getting -5 for that. But if you get that right, you're getting +15. So I hope it is clear with everyone, right? We are not going to tolerate no block or block shout. Just please do not do that. I will repeat. I will just tell the questions from 1 to 15, and after all of the questions I have totally conveyed to you guys, I will repeat it back from 15 to 1. As soon as it is done, I will give you max to max 3 minutes to send me the answer scripts that you have written, and each team just should send me only one answer script. I won't allow, or we won't allow you to answer more than 2 answer scripts. And send it to the WhatsApp number 8777079536. Let me know after you have noted down the number, and you can ping me up. And I only want the captains to ping me up from each team. I hope that's clear.
Where to ping the captain?
That's the number 8777079536. It's my WhatsApp number. I want each and every team's captain to like send me their team name.
একবার থামাচ্ছি তোকে।
হ্যাঁ,
বলছি এইটা একটু বলে দে, নাম্বারটা যেন সবাই এখনই নোট করে রাখে।
হ্যাঁ, এক্স্যাক্টলি, এই নাম্বারটা এখন যেন নোট করে রাখা, পরে এটা হবে না। We won't allow you, like we don't have the number. Just kindly note the number down. I'm giving you 5 minutes. It's okay. Just kindly note the number down and ping me up right now, because it will be helpful. Unless like at the end of the quiz and someone will say that I didn't get the number, then I have to go back again. That would be a pretty hassle. So we do not want that to happen. Right? We want it to be clean and nice and like pleasureful thing in amidst the COVID-19 situation right now we are going through. So yeah. So just ping me up by like in 5 minutes. All you need to do is just text me your team up. Okay, Team Tectronics. Cool. 7 more to go. Team Kingsman. Like who is having the Messi photo? Just send me your team name. I don't want that. In Game Changes. Alpha Core. Team Lazy Mouse. Same of team to go. Yeah, only captains are sending that. Just remember, only captains are supposed to send that.
আরেকবার বলে দেন, আমি কাকে গেছিল?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, আরেকবার বলতে হবে।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
কোন জায়গা থেকে বলে, শুরু থেকে? ও হ্যালো।
হ্যাঁ হ্যালো।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, কোন কোন করে বলতে হবে?
ওই ব্লক ব্লক শর্টে তারপরে কি বললেন?
1 থেকে 15 অবধি আমি কোয়েশ্চেনটা বলবো, ঠিক আছে? আস্তে আস্তে যেমন নর্মালি হয়, নিয়ে শেষ হওয়ার পরে 15 থেকে 1 আমি আরেকবার রিপিট করবো, তো লোকেরা যে রিপিট 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 ওটা না পড়ে। আর আমার যে নাম্বার 83%079536, টিমের ক্যাপ্টেন যে আছে সে আমাকে জাস্ট একটা মেসেজ করে দিই টিমের নাম দিয়ে, জাস্ট আর কিছু না। তাহলে আমার এই নাম্বারগুলো থেকে আমি জাস্ট অ্যালাউ করবো অ্যান্সারগুলো, অন্য কোনো নাম্বার থেকে অ্যান্সার অ্যালাউ হবে না। টোটাল শেষ হওয়ার পরে অ্যান্সার শিটটা আমাকে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ নম্বরে পাঠিয়ে দেওয়া হোক, এখন জাস্ট একটা মেসেজ করে দেওয়া হোক আমাকে হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ, আর কিছু পরে ঝামেলার থেকে বাঁচাতে। আর একটু তাড়াতাড়ি করো, কারণ কুইজটা স্টার্ট করছি। আরো 3টে টিমের বাকি আছে। টিম রোগ হলো আর 2টো টিম বাকি আছে। ম্যাথ হবে।
হ্যালো।
আর একটা টিম বাকি, লাস্ট নাম্বার। হ্যালো।
হ্যাঁ, একটা কোয়েশ্চেন ছিল আমার।
হুম।
কোয়েশ্চেন গুলো কি ওয়ান গোতে দেওয়া হবে প্রথম 15টা?
হ্যাঁ, প্রথম 15টা 1 2 3 4 5 থেকে নিয়ে 15 অবধি যেমন নর্মালি যাওয়া হয়।
আচ্ছা, অ্যান্সার স্ক্রিপ্টে যেটা লিখবো জাস্ট অ্যান্সারটা লিখবো তো?
কোয়েশ্চেন লিখতে হবে না, কোনো দরকার নেই, আমরা স্কুলে পরীক্ষা দিচ্ছি না তো। একদম 1 থেকে 15 না অ্যান্সার, কিন্তু নাম্বারিং যেন ঠিক থাকে। আর নিজের স্টার মার্ক কোয়েশ্চেন গুলো কিন্তু দেখে রাখবে, 4 8 11 15 4 8 11 and 15, those are the star mark questions. If you answer it wrong, you are going to get penalized for that. You are going to get -5 for that, so remember that.
Thank you.
And I will like say once more again, like when I will repeat that when is the star mark question. So yeah,
Okay.
I think the last team. Okay, I've got the message from Team Tectonics, Kingsman, Game Changes, Alpha Quarantine, Lazy Monks, Team Rogue, and Matholics. I think one last team is left. Which team is left?
It's Illusion X over here.
Illusion
X is over here.
Yeah, Team Illusion X. Like, ask your captain to
Yeah, I'm the captain.
ping me up on the number. That's the 8377079536.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying from.
Oh.
Cool. So. समझिए, बाकी दिखते सब ठीक थे।
হ্যাঁ ভাই, সব ঠিক আছে, শুরু করে দে এবার।
জাস্ট এই নাম্বারটা আমাকে মেসেজ করে আমাকে।
তো সবাই পিং করলে তুই শুরু করে দিস, ওকে?
Team Illusion X. Hello. Team Illusion X.
Yeah, one sec. I'm pinging you.
It's like taking a lot of time.
আচ্ছা এক্সকিউজ মি, আমি একটা জিনিস জিজ্ঞেস করতে পারি?
একদম একদম, আপনার স্টার্ট টাইম একদম।
হ্যাঁ, আমি জিজ্ঞেস করছিলাম যে আমরা কি আমাদের টিমমেটসের মধ্যে কল করে ডিসকাস করতে পারি অ্যান্সারটা?
সেটা তোমাদের উপর, তোমরা কিভাবে ডিসকাস করবে কি না।
করতে পারি তো?
হুম।
থ্যাংক
বাট ওটা যদি অন্যরা শুনতে পারে বা কিছু একটা ভাবে ভয়েস দিয়ে করে, ওটা আমরা লাইক ওটা করলে খুব খারাপ, ওটা করলে খুব বাজে।
নিশ্চয়ই।
পারলে তোমরা যেইভাবে তোমরা কি করে অ্যান্সার তোমরা শেয়ার করবে, ডিসকর্ড কল, টিম স্পিক, এনিথিং। Okay, team illusion next message question. Before we start, guys, like I would like to clarify one thing, that the questions that I'm going to present in front of you guys, right? Those questions are very easy. You just need to like look at it properly, just guess a bit, and you can easily answer those. So, if you're trying to Google these questions, then it will be really bad, because those questions are really easy, and those who will Google those are very, I have nothing to say for them. But these questions are really easy, right? And try to answer as much as you can, and I think let us enjoy the quiz. This is all about enjoying and learning something new instead of winning. So we shall start. I will show this again. Please do not Google. That's bad for you. Okay. Now this question. X is a person. Okay. He was exiled to Kolkata. He brought his personal chef with him. Now it is said that X used to prepare a dish. The chefs of X used to prepare a dish, but as the poor households of Kolkata, they could not afford meat. They used Y instead in this dish. Now this theory, like the poor people could not afford meat, they are going for Y. This was opposed by his great grandson. He said like X used to get an annual pension of 12 lakh rupees at that time. Like he was the highest pensioner of that time. So he could easily afford meat in his dish. Okay, there was no point of using Y. So he point out that Y, the thing, it was first what they call introduced in Surat in the 17th century. Then it spread slowly towards the other region, and that was brought to Bengal by English traders. And in those days, Y was an exotic vegetable because of its low yield. It was huge, expensive thing. So the chefs who came with X, they got Y, and they think introducing Y to that dish will make the dish more tasty, more like it will enhance the taste of the dish. So I just want the name of X and Y, like who was X and what did the chefs add, that is the Y, to the food to make it more tasty. So I think nobody needs any hint for this, because it's pretty easy. Like one of the most favorite thing of Kolkata people. So I'm going to the next question. I think is everyone okay with that?
রিজু একটু হোল্ড করে যা, বড় কোশ্চেন একটু করে
আমাকে ক্যাপ্টেনটা যদি মাঝে মধ্যে বলতে পারে যে হ্যাঁ ওদের টিম লাইক ওদের প্রবলেম নেই, সবাই একবার করে বলবে আমি প্রসিড করব।
এই না
আমি প্রসিডিং টু
আচ্ছা এক্সটা কি কারোর নাম?
হ্যাঁ, এক্স একজন, একটা লোক।
আর ওয়াইটা একটা বস্তু?
ওয়াইটা একটা বস্তু দেওয়াই আছে, ওয়াইটা ভেজিটেবল দেওয়াই আছে কোশ্চেনে, ভালো করে পড়ো।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে।
একটা বস্তু। এক্স একটা লোক। X is a guy. He was a British wizard. Okay, he worked in the as the editor of Quibbler magazine. Now, the thing is, the X's name has Greek roots. The name was derived from Greek terms, which meant an affection or love for unknown, foreign, or alien object, manners, culture, or people, like foreign people, unknown things, things you have not discovered, or something that you might call a bit weird. That is what his name meant. The love for unknown or foreign objects. So It is derived from a Greek word, but it was never found in classical Greek. And it is also said that X's personality, or the way X used to speak, or the way X used to think, that what made his child a bit eccentric, and like she had some eccentric beliefs. Identify who is X. X is a British music, so obviously it's a fictional thing. So I'm going to the next question.
Ganvi?
Shall I go back?
Yes, thank you.
That's why I asked, shall I go to the next question? But I think this is actually the time I can give, okay? I'm going to the next question because we need to wrap it up. And I will repeat it again, so yeah. These are the three guys, look at them properly. Okay. I just want a connection between them. Just connect them. These three guys are somehow connected to each other. I just want that common link. Let me know after you guys are done. আমি এগোলাম? Okay. Now the play, as you like it, it was written by William Shakespeare. It was written by William Shakespeare. She assumes that like the protagonist of the play, as you like it, she ran away from home and she had to take a disguise. Then she assumes the name X. The X is what I want. X is also after a Greek character who is said to be so beautiful that Zeus abducted X and made X a cupbearer in Olympus. I just want who is X. It is pretty easy, and before you guys attempt it, it is a star mark question. Question number 4. It's a star mark question. So it's pretty easy. I'm switching to the next question. Now, this question is from our Indian Hindu mythology. Now, Aruna or Arun, whatever you say, it literally means red, ruddy, or tawny. And he is also the charioteer of Surya, the sun god. He is the one who helps him like move from one place to another in his chariot. He is the one. Now, Arun can take a female avatar as well. Like he can turn into female and he can turn into male. There's a different story behind it, and I do not want that, and that is not important to the story. So Arun could take the female avatar Aruni. Now this, the avatar of Arun, Aruni had 2 sons from Surya and one from Indra. Later, these 2 sons, or the half brothers, they grew up and played an important role in Ramayana. I just want their name of the brothers. It is very easy. They're really important. And I guess we are done with this, and we are going for the next question. Now, this stadium was established at 1986 or 87. Now, it has been used very lessly, like very few times. But this, like the stadium's current capacity is 40,000 people, and hosted just 2 ODIs in this entire time. So from 1986 to till today, it has hosted only 2 ODIs, and in which one India lost to Zimbabwe, and another India won against West Indies. I just want the name of the stadium. I'm going to the next question. Now, in ancient Greek folklore, a phoenix is a long-lived bird that can regenerate itself, or like it has like it can reborn from its ashes. Like it can like it dies and then it reborns from its ashes. Now this phoenix is said to be inspired from an Egyptian deity. Name the deity. I just want the name of the deity from which phoenix was inspired and brought into the Greek mythology. And this deity is also named after a particular bird also, or a particular bird is named after this deity. I'm going for the next question. Now, question number 8 is a star mark question. Tom Swift and his Electric Rifle. It is a book, it is a novel, young adult novel. Now, in this novel, you can see the guy Tom had an electric rifle, and with the rifle, he could bring down any enemies he faced: rhinoceros, elephant, buffalo, anything. The whole thing took place in Africa. Now, there is a thing that a guy X who got inspired from this and made a weapon, a real life weapon, and named that weapon after the novel. He got the inspiration to name the weapon from the novel. So what is this weapon we know today? Like we all know it, and it is really commonly used, and it is non-lethal as well. It is a very easy. Just read the question once more, and you can easily get the answer. It's already in the question. Tom Swift and his Electric Rifle. It's a novel, and I'm going for the next question. I just want you guys to identify this car, not the brand, not what kind of car. I just want this car is somehow linked to some special person, and just identify the car. It is popularly used. Like, it is used and it's very popular. You can easily see it's like this brand. I do not want the name of the brand. Just identify the car. Are we done? I'm going forward to the next question. Now this is a very easy thing. What weapon does Pradas Meter or Feluda, popularly known as Feluda, possess? What choice of weapon does he have? It was said in a movie also, like the weapon that he uses. And I won't give any more time to this question. This is really easy. Now, question number 11, another star mark question, guys. Just a repeat, a star mark question. Plus 15 minus 5. In 2001, the Russian Space Agency paid more than $1 million to deliver this popular fast food to the International Space Station. What was this fast food dish? What was this dish that they had to pay $1 million just to deliver it to space? And it's a popular dish that most of you or us, we eat every time, and most commonly delivered to our house. It's actually an easy question. Okay, another easy question, another favorite question, like people will like this. X is a person. X served 2 years in Israel Defense Force as a fitness or combat instructor. After that, she started to study law. Then she started to study law in IDZ Hezrelia College. And after studying law, she again decided to change her career and move into modeling and acting. She became a model, then later she became an actor. In 2007, X was also featured in Maxim photo shoot as a woman of the IDF, and that was featured on the cover of New York Post. In 2016, X received swordsmanship, kung fu, kickboxing, capoeira, and Brazilian jiu-jitsu to train for her role that she recently got. Now, this is a very easy question, and this person was loved by most of the people out there. For her epic entry and stuff like that, she has like nice like as she was working in a combat and instructor in the army. She already knew like how to move and how to like fight, have a good action sequence. It's a very easy question. And as it's a long question, I will wait for 5 or 6 more seconds. Sorry, I need the question. Okay, I'm going forward to the next question. Now, this is another question from our Indian mythology. X is said to be a demon king. Like, he's a demon king. So, it is quite weird, or it is quite not loved by many people that he is worshipped till date in many other places in India. The Kanyakubja Brahmins of Vidisha district, they worship him and they say that he is a symbol of prosperity and they think him as their savior, claiming that he was also a Kanyakubja Brahmin. Even though he was a demon, he was from Kanyakubja Brahmin society. He is also worshipped by Hindus of Bisrak, who claim their town to be his birthplace and they have made a temple over there. This temple is pretty famous, or you can call it infamous, because they worship a demon king. Who is this demon king? Who is X? I'll move forward to the other question. Just X. I need X. Who is X? He's a demon king. He's a Brahmin. He's said to be a Kanyakubja Brahmin, worshipped by Hindus of Bisrak. And he has a temple over there as well. Okay, this is pretty easy. I won't waste your time. Just identify this famous sports person. It's pretty easy. Anyone can like totally answer this question. Just I will like, give you like 5 to 6 seconds. Question number 15 is a star mark question. It's a star mark question, guys. So before you attempt it, think twice. Now you look at this image closely, as close as you can. You will get the hints for this question. It's inside the notebook. I just want whose notebook it is. I want the name of the person to whom this notebook belongs. This person is quite famous for their work. This is pretty easy question. Just look at this paper. Look at the equations written down there. It's the last question, so I will give you a few seconds and then I will start repeating back to the question. I think you guys are enough. Okay. Again, question number 14. I won't waste time on this one. This is pretty easy. A famous sports person, just name him. You can easily look at him. X is a demon king. He is worshipped in several places. He is said to be a Kanyakubja Brahmin by the Kanyakubja Brahmins. They say that he was a Kanyakubja Brahmin and they worship him as his savior, claiming that they brought prosperity, and also worshipped by the Hindus of Bisra. Who is X? A demon. X served 2 years in Israeli Defense Force as a combat instructor, studied law, went into modeling career, then into acting, got featured on Women of IDF in New York Post, then learned for a particular movie, she had to learn swordsmanship, kung fu, kickboxing, capoeira, Brazilian jiu-jitsu for the role she starred, and that is what she is most known for, that particular role. Question number 11, star mark. 2001, the Russian Space Agency paid $1 million to deliver this popular fast food to space. A popular fast food. Like everyone loves this. What does Pradosh Mitro or Feluda possess? What weapon does he possess? It was said in a movie, one of his movies. Pretty easy. I want you to identify this car. This car is quite significant. I do not want the brand name or the chassis number or anything you guys get. I do not want that. I want why this car famous. Identify that car. Tom Swift and his electric rifle. This is a novel, and a person who got inspired by this novel named his weapon after this novel. He got the name for his weapon inspired from this novel. This is already in the question. Greek folklore. Phoenix. We all know Phoenix, that he generates from the ashes, and like this Phoenix is inspired from Egyptian gate. I want the name. The stadium, cricket fans will love this. The stadium used very less. Its current capacity, blah blah, is 40,000 people, and it has hosted only 2 ODIs. India lost to Zimbabwe in one, and one against West Indies on the other test. What is the name of the stadium? Arun, a Hindu god, a charioteer of Surya, can transform into women, and with a female avatar, Aruni, had 2 sons from Surya and Indra. And these 2 sons, these 2 brothers, they grew up and they had an important role in Rama. Identify the brothers. The heroine and the protagonist of the play, As You Like It, she took a name, X. Now this X is originally a name after a Greek character who is said to be so beautiful that Zeus abducted X and made X a cup bearer. He literally kidnapped that person. Connect this question. This is pretty easy. I want this time. It's pretty easy. X is a British wizard who worked as the editor of Quiddler magazine. A British wizard. Guys, guess it's really easy. And his name is also from a Greek origin, which is said that affection for unknown objects, manners, culture of people, anything that is unknown or foreign or alien, he loves them. You cannot find the word in classical Greek, but this is a Greek word. And he is said to be his child's eccentric beliefs or the eccentric behavior that his child shows. He is said to be the source of that. Question number 1, very easy. X was exiled to Kolkata. He brought his personal chefs. X brought a dish with him, and they used Y instead of meat, because meat was very costly. But his great grandson refused that. Meat was like, that person got 12 lakh rupees yearly salary pension, so it is not costly for him. It is just because they wanted to enhance the taste of the dish, they used Y, and X loved that. I just want the name of X and Y. Pretty easy. And that's it. That's the 15 questions. Question number 4, question number 8, question number 11, and question number 15 are the star mark questions. So you guys have 3 minutes. Send me the answers. I'll take the answers by 8:45. Anything after 8:45, I won't take. nice way. Okay, just text me from the number you texted before. Do not text me from any other number.
হ্যালো রাজু, হ্যাঁ শুনতে পাচ্ছিস?
হ্যাঁ
বলছি 8:45 পর কিন্তু অ্যালাউ করবি না, 8:45 বেজে গেছে, ঠিক আছে?
8:45 বাজছে।
কটা গ্রুপ থেকে পেয়েছিস একটু দিতে হবে।
আচ্ছা, আমাকে গেম চেঞ্জার অ্যান্সার পাঠিয়েছে, ঠিক আছে। আচ্ছা, আমাকে টেকট্রনিক্স থেকে অ্যান্সার এসছে, আর কি মিটিংটা অ্যালফা কোয়ারেন্টিন। আচ্ছা, লেজি মংস অ্যান্সার পাঠিয়েছে, আর কোনো টিম থেকে আমি পাইনি কিন্তু।
রুশো
বল বল,
কটায় টাইম দেওয়া ছিল লাস্ট?
8:45। আর অ্যালাউ করবি না।
ব্যাস, আর কাউকে অ্যালাউ করা হবে না, হয়ে গেছে।
যটা টিম এসছে
ব্যাস বন্ধ।
আচ্ছা, 8:45 একদম ডট পাঠিয়ে দিয়েছে লাস্ট মোমেন্টে।
ব্যাস ব্যাস, ওটাই লাস্ট, আর না।
আর কিন্তু আর না হবে।
ঠিক আছে, ওটা অ্যালাউ।
হ্যালো স্যার। হ্যালো হ্যালো
ম্যাথলিক থেকে কি অ্যানসারটা গেছে? অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমাদের নেটটা ল্যাগ করছে। ওকে ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ।
আচ্ছা, হ্যালো রিজু। যে টিম যাদের যাদের অ্যানসার স্ক্রিপ্ট অ্যাকসেপ্ট হয়েছে তাদের টিমের নামগুলো একবার অ্যানাউন্স করে দেয় একবার করে।
আচ্ছা, টিম কিংসম্যানও পাঠিয়ে দিয়েছে, ইলিউশন এক্স পাঠিয়ে দিয়েছে, ম্যাথলিক থেকে পাঠিয়ে দিয়েছে, আচ্ছা গেম চেঞ্জার্স থেকে পাঠিয়েছে, আর টেকট্রনিক্স থেকে পাঠিয়েছে, তারপর আলফা কোয়ারেন্টিন আর লেজি মংস। আই গেস 8 থেকে 8টা টিমই পাঠিয়েছে।
টোটাল কটা পাঠিয়েছে একবার বল।
আরেকবার বলছি, ঠিক আছে। কিংসম্যান, তারপর ইলিউশন এক্স পাঠিয়ে দিয়েছে অ্যান্সার নিজের। আচ্ছা, তারপর ম্যাথলিক, নেটের প্রবলেম ছিল তাই জন্য 1 মিনিট দেরি হয়েছে।